I'd now like to introduce Tiffany Wang. She's our CEO, and she will cover local storage evidence management software.
So at WOLFCOM, we don't just want to provide body cameras. We want to provide a...
Could you put the microphone a little closer to you?
Is that better?
A little closer. Yeah, bring it.
There?
You can pull it back towards you.
Okay. So at WOLFCOM, we don't just want to provide body cameras. We want to provide a complete solution that's reliable, easy to use, and easy to understand. And that's going to be true for our body cameras and for our back-end management software. So with our evidence management software, all the files captured, whether it be video, pictures, or audio, can be managed by one evidence management solution. The security of the evidence is the most important. So the software will have individual logins for each user, whether it be the officer, the chief, the secretary. Everyone can have access to the software, but everyone will have their own rights and privileges. So maybe an officer can only see their own files or only the files from their division, or you could have it so the chief could see everybody's files. Certain files can be blocked. So this is all important. And there are times where editing of a video needs to be done, such as redaction. As Mr. Quirk said, there's times where a face needs to be blurred. So in our software, you can have a face blurred, the images that don't need to be seen, or maybe a child's name and report needs to be blacked out. That could all be done in our software. And in that software, the edited version will become a new file, and the original file will always be kept in the software, so that way you know it's authentic. Sometimes you need proof of this. You'll need proof of who saw the files. You want the chain of evidence to be protected. So there's an audit trail report for every single file. The audit trail report will be everything from when the file comes into the software. So who downloaded it, who took the file, who viewed it, who edited it, who burned to disk. Everything will be in that audit trail report. Also in the software, encryption is done. So all the files are encrypted, so that way you know the files are authentic and they can be admissible in court. So like Peter was saying earlier, this is our GPS Direct. So when you're watching the video on our software, you can see the map right next to it, and as the video moves, so does a dot on the map. So this is important if you're in a car chase or in a foot pursuit. You can see exactly where the video is going. So as you can see, WOLFCOM wants to be there with the department from beginning to end, from when an officer leaves the station, when they're capturing video on the field, and when they come back to the station to protect their evidence.
Right. We've got just a few more minutes before you guys need to wrap up. I'd love to have my fellow members be able to ask some questions.
Okay. So that was actually it.
Was it? that was great timing.